On this video, I would like to show you the capability of Windsurf AI code editor. So this is a code editor you can download from Windsurf website. This is the website from where you can download the code editor. And let's explore the capability. In few hours, I was able to build the application, Fullstack application. So for the Fullstack application, I started with a simple prompt. You can see the prompt here. I wanted to build a QR code generator. It should accept a URL and then generate. Also, I wanted to have a different color. For example, if I choose here, it should also dynamically update. That part doesn't work. And we can ask the code generator to fix it. I wanted to have like download functionality, download PNG and SVG format. Also wanted to have like a tracking functionality. So when I scan it, it should have like a count. It doesn't work as well. And there may be multiple reasons. I don't know why. Probably like I'm on localhost. That's one reason. So now with this first prompt, it was able to generate the backend in Node.js and Express. I was not clear what I wanted. So I killed that prompt and then I restarted. To be a little bit precise, the backend should be written in Java. For database, use PostgreSDB, and the frontend should be in React. Can customize color, size, text under the QR code. I wanted to have like a text under the QR code. That functionality doesn't work either. So let's keep going. With just one prompt, it was able to create Java, create the SQL schema that is required to create table, schema and table, and then it created the Java application. For example, you can see the controller service repository model and config. Everything was created here, ran terminal command. So after writing a prompt, I was hands off. It's using the AI, running all the commands in the command line CLI interface automatically. It will prompt you to accept the command so that it can automatically run, but you don't have to type anything. As you can see, automatically when it runs, it finds the issues and errors, and based on errors and issues, it re-triggers or calls another agent to fix those errors. For example, let's go to Java, where I was running into a lot of issues with Java. React was pretty straightforward. It was able to create the repository, and out of the box, everything works. It's just a single page application, right? So you can see all these things here. But Java was not pretty straightforward, although it tried to connect to the database. However, I wanted to have a control of my database. So I manually went into the database application.properties file, and then I configured this here. Similarly, I created this manually. I did not want the AI agent or the editor to have access to the database. I'm running it into the Docker mode. So you can see like cancel terminal command here. You can see this. I've already created schema manually. Let's run the Java service and verify. So now you can see like a bunch of errors that I ran into. You can see this. It was not consistent with the schema that it created and the Java classes it created having the different data types. So I had to run back and forth with the AI to fix it. While that consumed a lot of time for me, but overall the whole application was done in like a couple of hours, maybe like I would say like 2 hours here and there. So you can see like there were a couple of errors here, and trust me, I did not look into the code to fix it. However, when I see the error in the console here, I just pasted the errors there. I knew what needs to be done. For example, the type mismatching here. So that's something I need to drop the tables multiple times and recreate it. So as you can see, and the last command that I prompted, last prompt I did use was this one. Where did it go? I should highlight the or jump to kind of functionality. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can see implement download feature for the QR code. Provide two options to download SVG and PNG format. So based on that, it was able to create like a Java files. However, there were like the editor was hang on, was not able to communicate with the Cascade CLI, was not returning. So I had to manually kill it, and I had to tell the AI editor that, where did it go? Where did my prompt go? Yeah, so this is the run the front end command, but it did not create the front end code for that. Like it did not add these two buttons here, which I was there before. Yes, you can see this. I don't see option on UI to download. Let me check the front end code to add the download button. So you can see that it added all those things. It updated this three results and all, and then it started to work. For example, let's say I go onto the YouTube, copy the website here, and then I went here, updated, and then generate. You can see the new QR code was generated. You can download the PNG. You can see it's downloaded, and you can download the SVG as well. If you don't believe me, you can just scan this QR code and you will see that your browser will take you to youtube.com. So thank you for watching my video and learning about this capability. What are you going to build? Please comment below. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. So I was not happy that I was not generating the color. So I asked the Windsurf AI to fix the code. So here's the prompt that I use. When user chooses color, the QR code should dynamically change to the color picked. Fix the code to update the QR code. And you can see that I'll modify both the backend and the frontend to support dynamic color changes. First, let's update the QR code service to apply color to the QR code. Now you can see, for example, let me refresh this. Okay, I'll copy this color, copy, put it here, and then put the name here and pick the color. Size, let's say we go 370, and you can see, oh, interesting. It worked. Okay, there we go. I don't know why it did not work the first time. Looks like there's a glitch. And you can see it's dynamically changing, right? I can also change the size, and you can see it's changing as well. I can download the PNG file, you can see there, and download the SVG, although the analytics still doesn't work. I need to ask. Let's see. Let's see what it does. Ah, there we go. It's not just polling, there's more issue to it as well. For example, it's not inserting data. So you can see this was the previous query. I had 23 records. Let's see how many I have. Okay, I did many times. Interesting. Why do I have this many? Just because I did it? Okay. You can see 122 records. If I do it one more time, we may see more than that because that was the last time I generated. Should be 120. Okay, we have more. Ah, every time it seems like I generate a new one, it makes a query. Okay, cool. Yep, no records here. Okay. Now we come back here. So it updated something, app.tsx. You can manually go into the file and check what it updated. Although I'm just going to accept all here. QR code controller, and then let me check the QR code service to ensure the scan count method working correctly. Okay, go on. Although the application is still running, after fixing the code, The cascade will prompt to run, and that's what the issues are happening. It's not able to identify that the application is still currently running. I'll delete it and restart. Okay, let's restart the backend. Accept all. So I accepted the changes. Now you can see the command here, and I'll just accept it. I'll delete this and I'll delete this as well. So let's accept. Now here's the problem that I am facing. Although the application is running fine, you can see that started QR code application, QR tracker application. It's not able to identify that it's running, not able to release the control. You can see this. I'll stop it here, run the front end. I'll definitely pay for this kind of services. I saw the capability and I'm amazed by the fact that I can build the application within few hours. So let's see what is happening here. Okay, no issues found. Let's refresh. Okay, so we go to YouTube. I copy it here, generate it here. Um, YouTube, generate. Okay, I can change the color, size. Let me try to scan this. I did. It opened on my phone, but no count. Let's see. Yep. So we need more debugging to be done on this application. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.